Hi, this is Haspa with WTI. I have to talk about this Golden Tree Foot Callus Remover Kit because, wow, I honestly didn't expect it to work this well. My heels and my husband's were getting so dry and rough, and I was kind of embarrassed to even wear sandals. But this time I wanted to try it on him. And when I first tried the terracotta pumice stone, I was surprised at how gentle it felt. It doesn't feel like those rough, scratchy stones that hurt. It's smooth, but it still removes so much dead skin. And I literally saw the difference after the first use. And the cream, oh my God. That consistency is perfect. It's thick, but not heavy. It melts into my skin. It's so nice because it doesn't leave that sticky, greasy feeling. And it actually feels very nourishing. And I love that it has shea butter and aloe because my feet and my husband's instantly feel calmer and softer the moment we put it on. After using both together for a few days, my husband's feet feel completely different. A lot softer, smoother, and honestly kind of pampered. So I didn't think a little kit could make such a difference, and this one really did. And that's my point of view.